Okay, so the cutting of the dovetail then, when we've worked with this side, we've cut straight down the shoulder first, and then we've cut the dovetail off and tidied it up with the chisel. In order to get rid of the inside part, what we want to do is cut well inside the line. Okay, so I'm nowhere near that line because that tiny bit is going to be chiselled off. And the most important part of this cut is that as we cut, we don't go below that 12mm line that we marked at the front or at the back. And then if we stop exactly on that line in each of these cuts and put in a cut roughly 2 or 3mm apart, being accurate each time, all the way along. And the reason that I fit in as many as possible and that it's helpful if they're all hitting right on that line is because the next step is happening with a coping saw. And with the coping saw, what you want to do is come in, and the first cut is just going to join those first 2 lines. So I come about halfway down, and I'm just dropping the saw into that first cut, and then using the saw's ability to cut on an angle and taking away the first piece of wood. When I've done that, I can lay the saw down flat, check that I'm sitting exactly on that line at the front and the back, and come in cutting along. And depending on how accurately you've done those saw cuts in terms of their depth will depend on the quality that you have at the end of this cut. Now, it's important that we carry that cut all the way through underneath here, so that when you come to chiselling, we're not chiselling straight down into wood that hasn't been undercut. Then you can sometimes need to flip it and tidy up the back side of that joint and undercut that ready for chiselling as well. And then the chiselling will just be fine tuning straight down that line and across that line there.